Hello everyone, welcome to EPG Pathshala. This is Dr. Mahavir Narwal, Professor, Department of Commerce, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. In this module, the topic for discussion is Attitude Part 2. Outlines of this module are learning objectives, introduction, theories of attitude formation, methods of changing attitude, measurement of attitude, formation or we can say sources of attitude. So first of all, what are the objectives of this module? The basic objectives are to understand the theories of attitude formation, to understand the methods for changing attitude, to know how to measure attitude, to know about the sources of attitude. Introduction. Components, barriers to change and functions of attitude have been discussed in earlier module. The theories of formulating attitude will be discussed in this module. Theories of attitude formation. There are a number of theories which explain the change and formulation of attitude. These theories were formulated to explain the concepts related to attitude. According to psychological processes, these theories are managed in groups to recognize change and formation of attitude. There are three categories in which these theories are divided. First is cognitive consistency theories, second functional theories, third social judgment theories. The first theory is cognitive consistency theories. Between the behavior and attitudes, people pursue stability. People carry their attitude with them. Everyone has different attitude. That's why each person is different from others. Each person seems different just because they have different attitude and behavior. This theory focuses on the inconsistencies which appear between an issue or object, knowledge and related beliefs. This theory divided into four parts. Balance theory. This theory focuses on the stability of issues and judgment of the people that is related by some relationship. It stated that imbalanced cognitions are not so much pleasurable than balanced cognition. Theory 2 of attitude functional theory. In functional theory, it is included that how an individual gets motivated and how efforts and attitude are related to motivation. This theory focuses on the situation of influence in terms of coping and attaining the goal, and these methods adopted by an individual to get motivated. The last theory of attitude is social judgment theory. Howland and Sharif has given judgment and social theory. In this theory, it was explained that how current attitudes form misrepresentation of objects which are related to attitude and how the attitude change is mediated by these judgments. As its name suggests, it is a theory of judgment, which means that how audience interprets, judges a message. It also holds that an audience involvement in the persuasive message is an important factor in change of attitude. Social judgment theory works on basically 5 principles. These principles are: number 1, there are categories of judgment by which persuasive positions are evaluated by us. Second, after receiving persuasive information, information are located on other categories of judgment. Third, our ego involvement affects our latitude's size. Fourth, incoming information are distorted so that it can fit to our categories of judgment. Fifth principle is small to moderate discrepancies between our anchor's position will advocate cause us to change, however large discrepancy will not. Methods of changing attitude. People in organization have both negative and positive attitudes.